हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की हमारी वीडियो रहेगी लैप्लेस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेसल फंक्शंस। ओके, सो बेसल फंक्शंस एंड बेसल्स इक्वेशंस ये हम सेकंड चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले लैप्लेस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हम पढ़ रहे थे। तो लैप्लेस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में हमें लैप्लेस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर बेसल फंक्शंस ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का लैप्लेस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चाहिए। तो उसके लिए हम एक बार इसके डेफिनेशंस देखते हैं। ओके, द बेसल फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड लाइक दिस कॉम्बिनेशंस। ओके, तो यहाँ पर हम बेसल फंक्शंस ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर वेयर n इज़ द ऑर्डर ऑफ द बेसल फंक्शंस। ओके, सो यहाँ पर हम पढ़ रहे हैं बेसल फंक्शंस ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर। सो राइट j, this is j1x. So substitutes n is equal to 1 in the above function, so you will get x की power 1, this is 2, and this is gamma 2. Okay, now 1 minus x square, this is 2, and 2 into 1, this is 4, 2 plus 2, plus x4 divided by 2, 4, this is 4, and 2 plus 4, this is 6, minus x6. You can write 2, 4, 6, this is 4, 6, and 8, plus and so on. Okay, ये आपका चलता रहेगा. So you have to find the Laplace transformation of J1. This is your J1. Okay, so J1 और क्या लिख सकते हैं आप इसको, J1x. तो x/2 से पूरे मल्टीप्लाई करवा दीजिए, आपके पास इक्वेशंस क्या आ जाएगी. दिस इज x/2 माइनस दिस इज x³ ओवर 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 4. 2 यहाँ से है, यहाँ पर हमने यूज़ किया है gamma 2. Gamma 2 is 1 into gamma 1. So this is equal to 1. Gamma 1 is 1. So this is 1. Okay. So write plus x5. Okay. You also can write 2, 2, 4, 4, and 6. Minus x7, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, plus. Okay, so you will go. Now we have to find Laplace transformation, so you can take Laplace transformation of J1x. Okay, by the property, linear property of Laplace operator, it can be distributed individually, so you can write 1/2 Laplace of x. Okay, minus 1/2 comma 2 into 4, 1, 2.2, this is product. Okay, and so you can say Laplace transformation of x³ plus 1/2 product 2, 4, 4, 6 x Laplace transformation of x की power 5 minus Laplace transformation of x की power 7 divided by 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, plus and so on आपका रहेगा. Now Laplace transformation, as you know, Laplace transformation of, we are using Laplace transformation of t power n. This is gamma n plus 1 over, you can write s n plus 1, where s is strictly greater than 0. Okay, so write this, you can write Laplace of J1x. This is equal to, you can write 1/2 into Laplace of x, this is gamma 2 over s square, minus 1/2 2 4 gamma 4 divided by, this is s की power 4. Okay, plus 1/2 2 4 4 6 gamma 6 over s की power 6 minus gamma 7 plus 1, this is 8, divided by 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, and s to the power 8, plus, and so on you can write. So Laplace of J1x, ये आपके पास क्या रहेगा, गामा हम यहाँ पर यूज करने वाले हैं, gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 factorial. ओके, सो देखिए 1/2 s square, gamma, this is n minus 1 factorial, this is 1. Okay, so you can write 1 minus 1/2 to 4 s की power 4, gamma 4, this is 3 factorials. Okay, plus gamma, this is 5 factorials, and this is 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, and s to the power 6, minus gamma 8, this is 7 factorials, and divided by 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, s to the power 8. ओके, नाउ अरेंज करेंगे हम इसको, Laplace of J1x 1/2 s square minus 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 1, okay, divided by 2 to 4 s square, plus 5, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and this is 2, 2, 4, 4, 6 s6, minus 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and divided by, this is 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, and s to the power 8, plus, and so on. Now देखिए, you can cancel out 2, you can cancel out this 2, you can cancel out also 4. okay, now देखिए, you can cancel out this 2, you can cancel out this 4, you can cancel out this 6. ओके, अब देखिए जो हम यहाँ पर लिखने वाले हैं उसको हम इस तरीके से लिखेंगे, Laplace of J1x. सो देखिए 1/2 s square minus, I am writing this, this is 3/2 using this 2, product 1/2, taking 2 as 2 from this, and I am writing this is 2 factorials, this is 1/s square. Okay, plus this is 5/2, this is 3, 3/2, this is 5, and by 2, 3 by taking 2 from here, and 1/2, this is 1/2, and I'm getting 6, this is can be written as 3 factorials and 1/s6, this is s square, s4, this is s4, this is s4. okay, s6 minus, this is 7/2, 5/2, this is 3/2, and 1/2, and taking this is 4 factorials, यहाँ से 8 into 6 and taking 2 from this, तो यहाँ से आपके आ जाएगा 4 factorials into 1/s की power 8, and so. now यहाँ पर एक हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करने वाले हैं, उसको देखिए, Laplace of J1x. so I am adding 1 and subtracting 1 from this, so using this 1 and minus 1, adding 1 and subtracting 1, and this Laplace transformation क्या है आपकी, ये plus 1/2 s square minus 3/2, 1/2 divided by 2, 1/s4, plus 5/2, 3/2, 1/2 divided by 3 factorials into 1/s6, minus 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, and divided by 4 factorials into 1 by as 8. Okay, now taking minus from this, taking minus 1 from this, what will you get? देखिए, नाउ देखिए, जैसे हमने -1 कॉमन लिया तो आपने लिखा 1 माइनस like this. So this, we are using this expansion is look like this is a binomial expansion of 1 plus x की power minus n. This is 1 minus nx plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial x square minus n into n plus 1 n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into x cube, where this expressions about expressions can be written as like Laplace transformation of j1x is equal to 1 minus 1 plus, okay, 1 plus where x is 1 by s square and whole the power here n is using minus 1 by 2. Okay, now this 1 minus, also you can write s square plus 1 over s square whole the power 1 by 2. You can 1 minus s square over s square plus 1 whole the power 1 by 2, and you can write 1 minus s over under root s square plus 1. ओके, सो ये आपका लैप्लस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रहा, लैप्लस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ j1x. ओके, अगर आपसे कोई पूछे लैप्लस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ मल्टीप्लाई विद t, multiply with derivatives, integrals, so you can use the previous theorems we have studied in the chapter 5.4. okay, so try कीजिए questions. Thank you, all the best.